Yeah, I kind of feel like I was in this perpetual, I still am often in this state of AI psychosis, just like all the time, because there was a huge unlock in what you can achieve as a person, as an individual, right? Because you were bottlenecked by, your typing speed and so on. But now with these agents, it really, I would say in December is when it really just something flipped where I kind of went from 80-20 of like, to like 20-80 of writing code by myself versus just delegating to agents. And I don't even think it's 20-80 by now. I think it's a lot more than that. I don't think I've typed like a line of code probably since December, basically, which is like an extremely large change. I was talking to it, like, for example, I was talking about it to, for example, my parents and so on. And I don't think like a normal person actually realizes that this happened or how dramatic it was. Like literally, like if you just find a random software engineer or something like that at their desk and what they're doing, like their default workflow of, building software is completely different as of basically December. So I'm just like in this state of psychosis of trying to figure out like what's possible, trying to push it to the limit. How can I have not just a single session of, Cloud Code or Codex or some of these agent harnesses? How can I have more of them? How can I do that appropriately? And then how can I use these claws? What are these claws? So there's like a lot of new things. I want to be at the forefront of it, and I'm very antsy that I'm not at the forefront of it. And I see lots of people on Twitter doing all kinds of things and they all sound like really good ideas. And I need to be at the forefront or I feel extremely nervous. And so I guess I'm just in this psychosis of like, what's possible, like, because it's unexplored fundamentally.